Hey guys, today I've been waiting for an indication from BTC. So I looked at this from the 1 hour time frame and the 4 hour time frame to find where the possible buyers and sellers are at. And I can see that there are strong sellers here waiting to push price down because we have like one, two, three, four swing highs that have been resisting this level. So sellers are waiting here around this area to push the price down. And we can also see that this is where the bullish momentum starts, and buyers are waiting here to push the price up. So we have a high, there's a low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then we have a lower high. If you ignore this area as a swing, saying that is a consolidation and there's not really much of a swing. If you look at it from the 4 hour time frame, you can take this whole move as a correction and take this as a higher high, then take this whole move as a continuation, such that if you did it that way, you would have taken a long at this point where the higher highs were forming. But how I love to see it is that I also see sellers here and buyers here. And when I looked at this chart, I think it was around this area. It hadn't gotten to this. So my hypothesis then was that if price breaks below this level, it's an indication for a bearish move. And if it breaks above, it's an indication of a bullish move. So now price didn't break above this level. Price broke above this level rather, so was an indication of a bearish move. And I could see that there's a support here. So price is trying not to go below this area. So that means if price goes up above this area, it's going to be a new indication of an uptrend. So once I see an indication, I wait for a correction, and the correction has started. And remember, higher highs and higher lows are the characteristics of uptrend. So this is our low, this is our high here, and this is our high here, similar highs, and this was our last low. So at this point at 69,400, around that area, price broke this bullish structure. So this is where the price broke the structure. So for a continuation, I am looking for a continuation above this point. So once price starts being bullish above this region where we had our the first low before it broke the structure, then I'll open a long and I will target the sellers at this point. So that's what I'll be doing for BTC. So let me go down to the 15-minute time frame so we can see the correction clearly. Okay, so we are still in the process of a correction, and I'll leave it at that. So probably in a few minutes or hours, the downtrend on the 15-minute time frame might change to an uptrend, and that's when I'll get ready to create my longs. So that's it for now about BTC. If you have any observations, contributions, corrections, please let me know. I'd love to hear them. Thank you for watching.